In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email to case in Salesforce. This process is very useful when you want all your customer support emails to automatically create cases in Salesforce, helping streamline your support workflow and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Now let's dive right into the setup. To begin, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Salesforce interface where you'll find the gear icon. Clicking on this will give you access to the advanced setup. This is your first step into the configuration realm where we can set things up precisely the way we need. Next, use the quick find box, one of the most useful features in Salesforce. Just type in email to case. This tool is your shortcut to finding exactly what you need without navigating endless menus. Once you've typed it in, go ahead and click on email to case from the search results. You'll be brought to a new page with all the relevant settings. Now that you're here, you need to make adjustments by clicking edit. This unlocks the editable settings for email to case. This step ensures you can enable and configure the feature as required. What you'll now see is a checkbox to enable email to case and on-demand service. Make sure to tick this box. By enabling this, you're allowing Salesforce to handle incoming emails as cases effectively. After checking the box, don't forget to save your changes. It's always crucial to save after you make changes to prevent any data loss and to ensure your new settings are applied. Moving forward, navigate to the routing addresses section, often presented as a related list. This is where you'll specify where incoming emails should go. Click New to create a fresh routing address. This new address is essentially a vessel for all the emails that you want to convert into cases. When filling out this form, you'll need to provide a name for the routing address alongside the email address. Assign a case owner, decide on the case priority, and set the case origin. This helps in classifying and managing the cases effectively from the get-go. Once you've inputted all the necessary information, make sure you click Save Again. This action completes the address setup and helps you move on to the next integral step. Following the save, Salesforce will send a verification email to the email address you've entered. It's a security precaution to validate that you own the email. To verify, open the inbox for the routing email and click on the verification link sent by Salesforce. This step connects the address to your Salesforce account, making it active. In this step, using your preferred email provider, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or any other, set it up to forward all support-related emails to the newly created Salesforce-generated service address. This address usually appears as a long code followed by @case.salesforce.com. Essentially, this step funnels your support communications into Salesforce. Finally, it's important to test this setup. Send a test email to the routing address to make sure everything is working correctly. If set up properly, it will create a case in Salesforce, confirming that your setup is successful and operational. And there you have it, a systematic way to set up email to case in Salesforce, enabling you to manage your customer communication more effectively and efficiently.